We have new information about that marijuana bust in El Paso County we told you about off the top of the news. 18,000 plants on 5 acres were found off Rampart Range Road in northwestern El Paso County. The U.S. Forest Service says it's about 6 miles east of Woodland Park. We're working to get more information. We'll update you as soon as we learn more details. A judge has once again ruled Robert Deere incompetent to stand trial. The decision was made at a review hearing for the accused Planned Parenthood shooter earlier this morning. KRDO News Channel 13's Angelica Lombardi was in the courtroom. She joins us live from the El Paso County Courthouse now with more. Good afternoon, Angelica.
Good afternoon, John. Well, Judge Gilbert Martinez made the decision that Deere is incompetent based upon a report by the state hospital in Pueblo that was finished on July 26th. Now, the state report concluded that Deere is incompetent and suffers from a delusional disorder. Deere did not appear in court today. The last time he was in court was in May, which is the video you see right now. Deere's attorneys argued that requiring Deere to appear in court today would hamper his treatment and possibly expose him to the media, which they say is not in his best interest. Now, the prosecution argued, saying Deere should have been present today. Judge Martinez made the decision and agreed and said Deere will be attending the next hearing. Now, in the meantime, Deere will remain at the state hospital in Pueblo, where he will be reevaluated every 90 days until he's been restored to competent. Now, this case could go on indefinitely. It goes on for the length of what the possible sentence is. And this situation, Deere is facing a life sentence, which means the evaluations can happen the rest of his life. We spoke with a criminal lawyer to see how common these types of cases are.
It does happen. The thing is that people can be restored to competency fairly quickly with the proper medication. They can be force medicated. In some cases, they're just never restored to competency. The medication that the mental health hospital has just doesn't work to restore them to competency.
Deere is accused of killing 3 people and injuring 9 others in the Planned Parenthood shooting in Colorado Springs last November. The next hearing has been scheduled for November 17th at 9 a.m. That's just a week before the actual shooting that happened a year ago. Reporting live from the El Paso County Courthouse, Angelica Lombardi, KRDO News Channel 13.